Hi, so we are going to have our second event of hands-on ECG challenge, interpretation challenge. Okay, so this will be in on this Sunday, coming Sunday at 7 p.m. So as last event, we had a great interaction with many of our fellow colleagues on interpreting ECG. Right. So this Sunday at 7 p.m. we're going to have a hands-on interpretation of ECG. So we're gonna what you're gonna do, or which you're gonna revise. It will be around 90-minute session. So we're gonna revise around 25 ECG interpretation tricks, and then we're gonna do a hands-on interpretation of a few ECGs, and then also I'm gonna pick few ECGs of to interpret from the group, the Telegram group which we have, where the many ECGs putting up. So I thought of let me do some interpretation from there also. Okay, and then we'll have a question answer session. So whatever questions you have, just shoot it during the webinar. It's a good, I mean, live webinar, so we're going to interact, so you can ask all the questions. I'm going to respond to those questions on the level 1 of easy trainings. The main criteria to attend this webinar is basically you need to have completed level 1 of easy training program. That's the 9 steps which we had done, right? So rate, rhythm, axis, all those things, all that entire first segment of the ECG training program should have been completed. Then only you can attend this training program. Means basically you'll be able to understand better. Okay, and yeah, it's a free program for all of our members. Just wanted to add more value to what you guys are doing and training here. So it's my pleasure to come live and interact with you, and hope you too also would love to come and interact with me. So that will be an awesome session. So looking forward to meet you all on this Sunday at 7 p.m. So register, click the link to register, and I'll see you to on the Sunday. Right? Thank you.